We wanted to create one bag that would work for you your entire day and your entire life. One bag, all missions.
When we sit down to make a bag, very first thing we do, we meet with the end users.
Operators, first responders, what kind of problems do you face? If you were missing something in the current gear that you have, what would that be?
If they have the problem we've identified, they will share with us what we need to do right for the problem to be solved. The end user for 511 it's a lot of different people, but if we were to give an example and just use a police officer, they have other interests, they do other things. So both for training purposes, for duty purposes, and for lifestyle purposes, there is a demand now for a backpack that can be both overt and covert all at once.
So AMP means all missions pack. And really the idea behind it is really providing one solution, one bag that can work for all missions. It's versatility to the next level. So with a gear set, you could go without a gear set. You could add different type of gear sets for your mission. Let's say you want to go with a 2-banger gear set, or you just want to travel and go with an admin gear set, or you want to have 2 IFACs to be able to rip off and detach, so you go with our double deploy gear set. The platform is limitless.
The gear sets are basically an evolved version of a pouch. There's 3 layers of retention to them. You don't have to use all 3. You can choose to stagger those attachments in order to have a quick release, in order to have a very solid semi-permanent configuration, or basically change them out daily.
So with the versatility that we have, the customization that we have with our gear sets, being able to put them externally, internally, to customize the bag for whatever your mission is, makes it super easy. So the AMP bags have 2 unique materials. One of them is a nylon 500D Davi. So what you get in our tactical bags is really the extra durability, the strength, and abrasion resistance, yet be more lightweight. The second material that's unique on the AMP bags is the hex-grid material. We have a 420D laminated to 1000D. Both are a core dura. So what that gives you is the flexibility of a fabric, but at the same time, you need the strength that you would get from a web molly or laser cut molly.
It's a new way of looking at the same attachment ladders that are already there and being able to redefine how you're going to use them. Whether you're going to angle it for an ergonomic advantage, or if you're going to look at this attachment platform in a whole new way. Attaching it as if you would on a regular molly platform is always there as well. It's still Velcro, it's still Mojave buckles and webbing, but we definitely do want to build more and more parts into the future for all of those mission-specific organizations.
The AMP bags are really just a larger part of an ecosystem. We have a plate carrier that also uses the hex-grid load-bearing platform. Again, the gear set compatibility, and it doesn't stop there. Besides just building out more gear sets, we're going to be building out even more load platforms that would allow you to have that gear set exchangeability. Ultimately, we wanted to create one bag that would work for you your entire day and your entire life. Whether you're off duty, on duties, you're heading to the range, you're going to go hunting, or you're going to go hiking, this bag, with the versatility that it has, allows you to do that. One bag, all missions.